is Miss Carol. Welcome to another art party. We're excited to teach you to draw today. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what we're going to draw today. So make sure you have a pencil, eraser, and your paper. Okay, so today what we're going to draw is a flower with a vase. So make sure your paper is vertical and hamburger style. Okay, get your pencil ready. We're going to get started now. Remember, I'm going to be using my marker so that way you can see my paper or my drawing more clearly. So we're going to draw a circle towards the bottom of our paper. So make sure it's not at the top, but on the bottom of your paper. You want to draw a pretty big circle. Go slowly towards the bottom of my paper. So that way I have room at the top for our flowers. So next we're going to draw the top of our vase. So that way we can have the opening of our vase. So I'm going to draw a straight line at the top. Just like this. Don't make it too big, but it's still going to be a little bit small. Then we're going to do a slanted line like this on one side and another slanted line on this side. After you're done with the top of your vase, we're going to draw the table so it's not floating in the air. I put my pencil here and go all the way to the end of my paper. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we have a table. But I do have a joke. Do you guys know what one rose said to the other rose? Hey, bud. How you doing? Alright, you guys, let's move on to the next step. We're going to draw a big U on the left side over here at the top. So I want you to draw a big U. And then on this side, see it's slanted just a little bit this way. I'm going to go make another small one on this side. This one's going to be just a little bit smaller. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create the shape of our tulip. So I'm going to put my pencil at a slanted line, kind of like when you're making the letter W on this side, and then another one on this side. So the next step is we're going to add our stem so it's not just in the air. So I'm going to draw two lines. So I'm going to curve 1, 2, and you're going to do the same thing on this side. So it's sticking out of the vase. Yes, you can add more flowers to your vase. I'm going to add a leaf, so it's going to be an upside down U coming out from this side, and a straight line down in the middle. And if you have room for more flowers, you can add more flowers or more leaves. If you want, you can even draw a smiley face on your flowers. A silly face, a smiley face, or a sleepy face. So I'm actually going to add a circle. We could add 2 circles at the top, and we're going to draw a line. You can add those things. I'm going to keep it here because I need to draw. We're going to draw a bumblebee and a butterfly. So, all right, so we're going to move on to the next step, and that is we're going to decorate our vase. So I want to show you my design, but you can add whatever designs you like to your vase. So up here, I'm going to do a wavy line. So I'm going to do different kinds of lines so you guys can add it if you like. You can do wavy lines all the way down. You can add hearts, different shapes. I'm going to add a zigzag. So you can add whatever design you want on your vase. And then I'm going to add circles. So go ahead and design your vase. You should add at least 1, 2, 3, 4 different lines or 4 same lines to your vase. You can even add your name. You can add hearts. You can add a big silly face. Okay, so we're actually going to draw bugs on the side. I'm going to draw a bumblebee and a butterfly. I'm going to start off with an oval over here. I'm going to do a big X over here. Now, if you have your own way of drawing your bugs, you can draw your own bugs. You can do a ladybug, a dragonfly. I'm going to be doing a bumblebee. So on my oval, I'm going to draw 2 lines for the stripes. I'm going to put a nice face, happy face, a smiley face for my bumblebee. And then you can add the antennas and big wings. What does a bee sound like? Zzz. Okay, speaking of stinging, we can draw the bee stinger. Alright. So we're going to draw the stinger for our bee. And I'm going to draw a couple of lines so it looks like it's flying. These are like motion lines. Oh yes, I don't want a floating X on my paper. So we're going to make this into a butterfly. I'm going to connect this line, kind of like a bow. If you have your own ways of drawing butterflies, you can draw your butterfly. I'm going to draw my butterfly like this, so it's easy in case it's hard to draw. And I'm going to add 3 lines like this too. Alright, so does everybody have their coloring materials? Do you guys have markers, color pencils? I actually have color pencils. So you can get your coloring materials out. Yes, even painting, whatever you want to color with. I have all these, very fun. Okay. So we can start coloring our picture. I'm going to start off with the big shape first because that way I can save the small things for last. So you can start coloring your vase. I love drawing with you guys. It's so much fun. Did you guys like drawing this picture today? This was a lot of fun. You can always check our website for updates. We have these, we try to hold these every week. But if you can't make it, we also have videos of different types of drawings too that you guys can do. So if you like to do crafts, we also have videos on our website and our social media to show you how to do and make fun things at home with things that you have lying around your house. Yeah, so when you're done with it, you can have mom or dad share with us on our social media. All right, we'll see you guys next time.